going on, you guys? It's Tom, Wine Valley Woodworks. It's such a great day in Wine Valley because I have this huge sweet cherry live edge slab. I'm gonna make a pizza pallet with this thing. Let's get building. So I got handle cut off on top, and I was thinking about cutting the whole entire shape, but I thought, hey, you know what? The live edge profile is pretty nice on this, so I told my buddy, yeah, he agreed he wants the live edge profile cut. So this template is still a great resource if you want to make handles repeatedly and just keep a live edge profile, or if you want to make repeated shapes every single time. But for this case, we're sticking with live edge. The last thing we need to do before we start sanding this piece is give it a nice 1/4 inch round over on the edges. That way the handles are really smooth as well as live edge. First thing we gotta do though is take our chisel, start knocking this crap off, and then get to work. No, this bark is so thin, I'm just gonna sand it off. The other side is thick, it's easy to get off, but different tool for a different job. Got the shape of the board outline all worked out. So we got a few cracks that we got to fix here, like on the handle, on the side of the board. Luckily, these are not where food contact's going to be. So we're going to fill them in with CA glue, seal this thing up, and get it looking really good before we get to sanding.